Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hello, this is Honey Ostwal, and I had stopped videos for a very long time because my wedding was there. I was busy shifting my house and my background of the house was not good, so I was just caught up with a lot of work, but I'm back now. I hope we be connected, and now I've like done a shapat, that I will get videos every week. So hope to see you and be connected. Thank you, and let's start with the video. My very first tattoo मुझे बहुत टाइम से बनाना था, but I wanted my parents' permission and I used to irritate my mom, dad like anything. I remember I used to irritate my dad like anything that
दादाजी के हाथ में टैटू है और मैं तो उनकी पोती हूँ. I should have a tattoo. दादी के पास टैटू है, इनके पास टैटू है, उनके पास टैटू है. And after like one and a half year, my dad got irritated and he's like, जा बना ले, तेरे को जो टैटू बनाना बना ले. So I went. And I think my college ka first year, I think I was in 11th. And
So this was my first tattoo, and it is Phoenix bird. I like this design. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I want to make this. And then I searched about it, and it had a very, very, very amazing meaning to it. So इसलिए मैंने वो tattoo बना दिया था. Second tattoo, I think then I made with my sisters. This was my second tattoo.
look at the timing, shit. I can't believe I'm in Thailand. I am on a beachy vacation. And fuck. What a bad timing I've got. Any which way, like this is my color. This is my body color and this is my tanning. I was wearing a bikini and I think that's the only reason I got so much tanning.
So let's continue. This was my second tattoo, music. So हम तीनों बहनों ने अलग अलग tattoo बनाया था यार. My third tattoo was this. This was with my sisters. We have like a connecting tattoo which says sun, moon and star. So yeah, I did a star.
Because I am a star. I am a star.
Three things I really want to tell you. So first thing is basically if you are making your मतलब अगर आप पहली बार tattoo बना रहे हो, if you're making tattoo for the very first time, guys, see that you make छोटा छोटा tattoo. अगर आप पहली बार tattoo बना रहे हो तो छोटा tattoo ही बनाना. Don't make like बड़ा बड़ा, because if you make like big tattoos and on a very visible place, you might regret after a certain period of time. Okay, so first make small tattoos and tattoo ऐसी जगह बनाओ initially that you know आपको रोज रोज आंखों में नहीं दिखे. Like if you make it here, it's going to be very visible and after a certain period of time you might just get irritated. Second thing that I want to say कि जो भी हड्डी वाली जगह होगी वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा पेन होगा. It's going to pain you on the bone area, but where there is muscle, it's not going to pain you a lot. Third thing, Vaseline is gonna be your game changer. Like I literally put Vaseline on all my tattoos at least for like 2 weeks. I would recommend. Like these few are my new tattoos, so मैं भी Vaseline लगा देती हूँ उन पे. So yeah, these are the 2-3 things that I really want to talk to you about. And see that you make tattoos बहुत सोच समझ के, that you don't have to regret later in your life, or you don't have to do like a cover up tattoo. Okay, like सोच समझ के tattoo बनाओ. My next tattoo I guess was on my leg. Wait. So my next tattoo was on my left leg and it is this. It says beach because I'm a beach girl.
And it looks really stunning. Like जब आप चलते हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा pretty.
So this was my next tattoo. This I made it on my birthday. I was going through a lot of shit. I was in depression for a very long time.
And trying to figure out a lot of things. I was feeling that I'm not worth it. And of course, to motivate myself, I used to be like, honey, you are worth it. You don't have to show anybody. You know what shit you are going through. And you know what you're suffering. Forget about people, let them judge whatever they want to judge. And Thailand was the place that I love the most. I love Thailand in general. It's a very beautiful place. So of course I wrote this in Thailand which says, I am worth it.
So that was my tattoo. Then my next tattoo was this, because I used to love flying. I love traveling in aeroplane. Basically I love traveling. So I did this, which is so colorful. Of course these are my stretch marks. You can ignore that, but yeah, you can see this. I made like a पूरा colorful one, and I think colorful बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उन्होंने बहुत सारे colors use.
Orange, pink, red, purple, blue, like dark blue, light blue, sea blue, green, white भी use किया उन्होंने. White and then also black.
So that time only I made This also was my next tattoo. It says devil and angel.
So this also describes me that sometimes I'm an angel to everybody. Like everybody, I'm gonna be like a sweet, nice, lovely person. But जो मेरे साथ बुरा करता है, people who are not nice with me, even I don't like to be nice with them. So of course I have two side, angel and devil.
ये मैंने most of my tattoos, like 15 tattoo में से 10 tattoos are made by Ajit from Golden Ratio. Gosh, he is so amazing. His details are so good. You can see all the pictures here. His work is fabulous. Like, I love his work. So you can check out all the detail, unka Instagram page, his name, number. I'm gonna mention everything here. It's in Ville Parle. If you guys want to check it out, check him out. His work is fabulous. His work is fantastic. And it's not a sponsored video. I have paid all my money. I feel I've paid a lot of money on my tattoos. So yeah.
उसके बाद मैंने कौन सा टैटू बनाया था? God, it's so difficult, yeah. उसके बाद
I went to Goa and I was like, मुझे गोवा में एक टैटू तो बनाना ही है.
So to be honest, I'm a very self-love person. I love myself genuinely a lot. Like I really, really love myself. And whenever I'm sad, depressed, I like hug myself and a lot. And तभी ये टैटू भी ऐसे बहुत famous हो गया था कि hugging yourself वाला टैटू, if you can see. Wait.
So of course you can again see a picture here.
Tired. बोल के tired. बोल के भी tired हो जाती हूँ मैं. मैं प्यासी हूँ.
I am on my honeymoon. मेरे को नहीं पता मेरा पति किधर है. Let's continue with the video. Oh, so गोवा के tattoo के पहले, of course गोवा के tattoo के पहले I made this tattoo, which is a finger tattoo and which says fire. So this is the tattoo. It says fire. And हाँ, then I did this Goa वाला tattoo. So मेरे हाथ के सब tattoos हो गए ना. हाँ, then I did this. No! Of course, I did a love marriage and me and Hiren, we are in a relationship since 10 years. And before marriage, just before me getting married, his birthday was there. So that time I wanted to gift him something. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था what to gift. So I made this tattoo here. So this was the tattoo. I hope it's visible. It's between my boobs. It says edgy with a heart. And one thing I really, really want to tell you guys that अपने partner का नाम लिखना is a very, very, very big commitment. So do not make the tattoo if you are not ready. If you know that he is the one or she is the one, that's where make the tattoo. Like for me, it was like even if I don't get married to Hiren, for some reason, you know, कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, तो मैं ये एजी जो है, एजी को HO कर दूंगी. So that will be like Honey Ostwal. So बहुत सोच समझ कर भी मैंने ये टैटू बनाया था. That I don't know what the future lands up to, but you know, if some things happen, then I'll make this HO. That I did this tattoo, so it's a line and a dot. I'll again put some pictures here, and then I did a create here. Create.
Now of course I wanted to create a lot of things and, you know, get up to date. I wanted to, you know, progress. Like I constantly wanted to put videos and photos and everything, and it is very, very, very difficult to, you know, create content. It is genuinely very difficult. So I thought I'll make something here which will again and again remind me that honey you have to make something new, you have to create something new, you have to do something new. So this was that, create here, and I think it looks very pretty.
All my tattoos are gonna look gorgy to next level. Yeah, so मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ because I love all my freaking tattoos. It looks, I love finger tattoos. Like in future, I'm definitely gonna do more finger tattoos on my this hand. But I love finger tattoos. And उसके बाद I had my engagement. My engagement finally happened in 2023. So 2023 में me and Hiren, we did like a couple tattoo. It's not visible, but whenever we catch hand or whenever like we do like this way, so there's a picture here. I think this is a better thing. There's a picture here, and I did LO and he did VE, LOVE, love. After that, towards my marriage, I wanted to make a big tattoo here and on my thigh. थाई के इधर भी मुझे एक रिंग बनानी थी ऐसे ही, बट मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं. दिस वॉज समथिंग आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू मेक. So I told Ajit that the tattoo guy, I told him I want to make like सब जगह का famous जो place है, मुझे उसका एक tattoo बनाना है, तो आप एक design create करो. I want to do little bit colorful, and he did such a stunning design. I love it. Guys, the detailing is so good. हर एक डिटेल, मतलब आप देखो पेरिस में भी जो शेड करना है, जो छोटा छोटा बनाना है, मतलब इतना डिटेलिंग. इटली देखो भाई, इट्स सच अ गुड लाइक. Bro, I don't think so any tattoo artist would do so much like, and his prices are very good. Like if you go somewhere else, they are going to charge you like 1200 1500 for per inch, but उसका इनका इतना charges नहीं है. You can go check him out. He's very good. His work is fabulous. It looks really stunning when I'm walking. Like, check this out. It looks so stunning. It looks really gorgy. I love the tattoo. The detailing is amazing. This is my last tattoo, which is 15th tattoo. So if you see, it's a mobile phone, and I made again. मैंने उनको बोला कि मुझे मोबाइल फ़ोन चाहिए, बट कैमरा का ये है ना, उसका वो बनाना है. Again, I'll put a picture here. It is fabulous because I do all my work on my phone. Like I take pictures on my phone, I edit on my phone, I do recording on my phone, so everything I do it on my phone. So that's why I made this here. Again, I didn't want it to make here, I wanted to make it here, but Ajit told me to make it here. Hi.
Hello, what's up?
How
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
See the
Where
sunset.
were you? You catch your phone like this and record, right? So I didn't thought this is the best place. So I was telling, I wanted to do here, and Hiren and Ajit told me that do it here, it'll look more good. So I did it here, and I think it was a good decision to do it here. Yeah. Show your love wala tattoo na. So yeah, he did it in his left hand, I did it on my right hand, and okay. And this is the love.
Okay, tell everybody how you felt when I did a tattoo of your name. Hiren Gohil.
So before me, Nikhil came to know, and we were in a car near Bandra Worli. Like at that time, she showed me, and I was so happy. I was like, बाप रे, कुछ लोगों का तो सालों साल नहीं करते यार अपने के नाम पे टैटू. I'm so happy for it.
मेरे नाम का टैटू किधर है?
यहाँ पे इसे engraved है हार्ट में.
ये सब बोल बच्चन पे
लोगों को दिखाना पड़ता है लिख के.
ये सब बोल बच्चन पे जाने का नहीं गाइस.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं जाने
ऐसा
का.
ही है, नहीं जाने का.
नहीं जाएगा तो हर जगह पे अल्फा मैन कैसे मिलेंगे बताओ.
Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you guys for watching my tattoos and being with me. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.